Hello mga Pogi Tikoche, nga pala ang may sariling mundo, pero bago ang lahat may naghamon pala sa akin na 1v1. Sorry kung ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload, na busy kasi ako, pero sana andyan pa din kayo na sumusuporte sa akin, kaya terepalaga na natin yan matagal na kasi hindi ako nakapag 1v1. Panoorin nyo na lang hanggang dulo tong video na to, saka pwede bang humingi ng like and share. Salamat.
Oh shit, here we go again. Una ako magpipigil ngayon. Magda ka. Dahil checkmate na kagad sa akin.
I let this pipe. Sex is a drug, well let's enjoy this. No time to make love it. You screaming you want it. Girl, you looking lovely. When you ride this pony, we can do this till the morning. So please come and ride me. Love it when I'm deep inside you. You going crazy, yeah. Kissing wherever you want me. I go bananas when I'm in that monkey. Lately been feeling like a junkie. Pum beat it up like a drum. And you know that I'm nasty. And
Hinawakan mong kaluluwa ko, kaya patatawarin kita. Una't huli mo na yan. Alamin mo ang lugar mo.
right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got your back until you're ready when you ride. Like a rodeo, ride like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of mine. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got your back until you're ready when you ride. Like a rodeo, like a rodeo, baby.
He love how I ride it. Hop on a dick, I made him get excited. This pussy off limits for lame niggas. You fuck me like you got some pain in you. Can't go back and forth with no groupie hoes, but these bitches love how you do me though. Had to tell her that dick off limits. I hop on it at night, I'm a menace. Yeah, he get the stroking. Oh, how I love when he choking me. Bitch, I'm a boss, I do what I want. I don't need a nigga controlling me. I look at my wrist, it's an AP watch. I put your nigga in off-white socks. He want a fun bitch, girl, not a thought. I keep it juicy, he coming alive. When he dip inside, I be going insane. Scratching his back, I know he feeling pain. Okay, he iced me out like snow day. Eliante is a cold case. Ride on that dick like road rage. I can put on a show, I don't need a stage. Fucking with me, he gon' need sage. Don't make me go back to my old ways.
I wanna feel your body on top of mine. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby.
Napasabi na lang si Idol na Dodge Dogger ka, hahaha po. Pogi naman ako, kaya ito reply ko, Ohms.
Like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of mine. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, got your back to your friends when you ride. Like a rodeo, baby.
Pero natalo naman ako dyan kasi sobrang dami ng minions si Idol, hahaha. Nice game na lang sa'yo Idol, hintayin nyo na lang ang game 2 namin ni Idol. Salamat.
Baby, foreplay only if you